EEPROM, or electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, is a non-volatile memory technology that retains data even when power is lost, distinguishing it from volatile memory types like RAM. This tutorial introduces the principles and operations of EEPROM, along with its applications and best practices. The memory is structured as an array of cells, each capable of storing a bit of data through floating gate transistors that trap electrons, allowing the memory to maintain its state without power. Key characteristics of EEPROM include its non-volatility, reusability through electrical erasure and reprogramming, and byte-level access, which enables data manipulation on a byte-by-byte basis. Various types of EEPROM exist, such as Serial EEPROM, which communicates via serial protocols like I2C or SPI, making it suitable for numerous applications. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview of EEPROM, enabling readers to understand its functionality and effectively utilize it in their projects.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.